front garden, we have to fill it with wood chips. So we got out the wood chipper, we gathered up a bunch of sticks. We're gonna get it all mulched with some great wood chips.
So this wood chipper basically works well as long as you don't put like 3-inch in diameter sticks in there. You can kind of tell it would probably do it, but it wants to make the clutch in there slip a little bit. And I've done that a few times, and all of a sudden like the belt will just break or it'll fry on me. So I just kind of take it easy and I go down to about 3 inches on my stick. I pull out the remainder and just toss it out. As long as I get wood chips on the other end, it works out just fine. I've had to change the belt on this thing, I think like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times, something like that. And it's not like a huge deal, but you know, when you have to change the belt in the middle of a project, it's a little, you know, you'd rather not do that. So anyways, it did the job again. I would love to have a wood chipper that's 2 or 3 or 4 times bigger and make the job go a lot faster. And I'm not sure how long this thing's gonna last. You know, I'm using it fairly light use, but you know, you could just kind of tell it's probably doing a little more than it's made for. But anyways, it worked out. We got wood chips.
Well, we got the front flower garden all chipped. I wanted to run back here to the garden to give you a quick update on what's happening. You know, just last week or so, we got everything planted, so let me show you. There's hill number 1. Our pumpkins are doing really well. They really like this leaf compost from the woods. Over here, I'm trying to start some lavender. I just have it in straight perlite. I'm gonna see if these little lavender cuttings will root. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'd love to plant a bunch of lavender all around Stone Hill here. Kind of make a little lavender farm maybe. These are looking just as good. And then the last mound over there is doing great. Got some more flats of lavender cuttings there too. We'll see how they do. Wouldn't it be great to fill this entire hayfield with lavender? Just kind of a dream. Maybe just a little hobby. We'll see. We'll see if we'll get them going first. That's number 1. I showed you the lavender cuttings back in the garden. We also did a bunch of cuttings here of an arborvitae. Some people say arborvitae. I say arborvitae. This is called the Green Giant, and we're gonna see if we can get these to root as well. Got a whole bunch of them, at least 20. So we'll see if we can get these to root, grow into little plants, and plant them all around the property. I'll keep you updated on how those cuttings go too. That'd be really fun if we can get like 20 giant arborvitaes. There go the guys. And then Sophie's little garden's doing fine. Zinnias are coming in here. Zinnias are looking good. She's got some watermelons coming in. Those look really nice. All the way down the row. She has some climbing snap peas. Gotta get something for them to climb on. What else we have going on here? Some radishes are coming. And her marigolds. Marigolds are coming. Now all this stuff is really small compared to the pumpkins, so I think that the leaf compost from the woods really helped those pumpkins. Just a little update. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.